Hey, Healthy Habits Haven viewers, looking for a cheap, powerful tool to elevate your well-being and transform your home? Look no further than baking soda, the humble ingredient that goes way beyond fluffy cakes. Today, we'll delve into 11 surprising superpowers of baking soda that will have you reaching for that box in a whole new light. Unleash the power of baking soda, from sparkling smiles to soothed stomachs. Baking soda, a humble kitchen staple, packs a surprising punch when it comes to your health. Let's explore its two key benefits. 1. Taming the tummy volcano, relief for heartburn. Ever feel that burning sensation after a big meal? It's likely heartburn, caused by excess stomach acid. Baking soda acts like a shield, neutralizing this acid gently. Here's the science. The chemistry of relief. When you mix baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, with water, it reacts with stomach acid, hydrochloric acid, to create sodium chloride, table salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. This fizzing action effectively reduces acidity, calming that burning feeling. Important note: baking soda offers temporary relief, not a long-term solution. Excessive use can disrupt your body's natural acid balance. Always consult your doctor if heartburn persists. 2. Brighter smile, fresher breath. Your oral health ally. Your mouth is a battleground. Bacteria thrive in acidic environments, causing tooth decay and gum disease. Baking soda, a mild base, comes to the rescue. Neutralizing the acid attack. Bacteria feeding on sugars produce acid. Baking soda neutralizes these acids, creating a less welcoming environment for them, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Dual action power. Baking soda's gentle, grainy texture acts as a mild abrasive. When used as toothpaste or added to it, it helps loosen and remove plaque, a sticky film of bacteria and food particles, from your teeth and gums. This keeps your mouth cleaner and breath fresher. Research confirms the benefits. Studies show that toothpaste containing baking soda is significantly more effective in reducing plaque buildup. It can also improve gum health by reducing bleeding. How to use baking soda for oral care. Make a paste by mixing baking soda with a little water and brushing your teeth. Create a gentle mouthwash by dissolving a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Remember, baking soda is a fantastic natural remedy, but it's not a replacement for regular dental checkups and a good oral hygiene routine. Embrace the power of baking soda for a healthier you, both inside and out. Soothe itchy skin, sort of. While baking soda won't cure eczema, it can be a welcome relief for the itchiness. The National Eczema Association recommends adding a 1/4 cup to a warm bath and soaking for 10 to 15 minutes. Pat yourself dry and moisturize to avoid any irritation. Laundry gets an upgrade. Most detergents work best in a slightly alkaline environment. Baking soda's natural alkalinity boosts your detergent's power to break down dirt and grime. Plus, it softens hard water by binding with minerals that can make clothes dingy. Baking soda also tackles odors by neutralizing them, leaving your clothes smelling truly fresh. At channel name Grimy Grout? Baking soda paste to the rescue. The alkalinity helps break down tough grime and loosens its grip for easier removal. For stubborn stains, a baking soda and vinegar tag team is unstoppable. The vinegar triggers a fizzing reaction that lifts dirt from deep within the grout. Finally, rinse the area clean and enjoy your sparkling grout. Natural pest control. Say goodbye to unwanted guests. The texture and scent of baking soda, while inoffensive to us, deters ants, roaches, and even rodents. Sprinkle it in areas where pests frequent to keep them at bay. Remember, this is most effective when combined with other pest control practices like sealing entry points and removing food sources. Fight fungus. Fungus thrives in moisture and acidic environments. Baking soda disrupts the party by drying out the area and reducing itchiness. A baking soda and water paste applied to athlete's foot or other fungal infections can help reduce moisture and soothe irritation. In your home, baking soda absorbs moisture and disrupts the acidic environment that mold loves. Regular cleaning with a baking soda solution can prevent future growth and keep your home healthy. Urinary tract infection. Baking soda might help, but see a doctor. While not a cure, baking soda may bring relief from urinary tract infection symptoms. By ingesting baking soda, you can introduce more bicarbonate into your system, making your urine more alkaline. This can potentially lessen burning during urination and create an environment less favorable for bacterial growth. Important note: if you have a urinary tract infection, see a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. Boost your workouts. Feeling the burn? Baking soda can help. During intense exercise, your body produces lactic acid, leading to fatigue and soreness. Baking soda acts like a buffer, neutralizing this acid and delaying its buildup. Studies show athletes who ingest baking soda before exercise experience up to a 3% performance improvement. Remember to consult your doctor before trying any new supplements. Support your kidneys. Chronic kidney disease can lead to a buildup of acid in the body. Baking soda swoops in like a superhero, neutralizing this acid and reducing the burden on your kidneys. A 28-week study showed baking soda to be effective in improving kidney function, although it may not be suitable for everyone with severe kidney issues. Talk to your doctor to see if it's right for you. Manage weight. Indirectly, digestive discomfort can derail your weight loss goals. Baking soda may help by neutralizing excess stomach acid, leading to more comfortable digestion and potentially better eating habits. Additionally, the exercise benefits of baking soda can indirectly contribute to weight management by improving your metabolic health. But remember, it's not magic. While baking soda has amazing benefits, it's important to be aware of potential downsides. High sodium. Baking soda is high in sodium, which can be problematic for people with high blood pressure. Electrolyte imbalance. Too much baking soda can lead to electrolyte imbalances, causing muscle weakness, cramps, and fatigue. Alkalosis. Excessive use can cause a condition called alkalosis, with symptoms like confusion and irregular heartbeat. Not for everyone. People with certain health conditions, especially kidney disease, should avoid baking soda due to its sodium content. The takeaway: baking soda is a powerful tool, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Talk to your doctor before incorporating it into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. With proper use, baking soda can become a valuable asset for your health and exercise goals. So, are you ready to experience the baking soda difference?